Hi there, I'm Brian and this is the It's All Good Mining and Repair channel. In today's video, we're going to fix the hash board that's missing right there, disconnected. That's the hash board. See, it's funny because I look up and I see the screen, but then you guys think I'm looking into space. Okay, anyway, let me get into this. Today we're going to fix this hash board. This is board 102. There's a playlist down below. Here it is. This is the board. I pulled it out the other day. This is the board that read 64 out of 65 ASICs. Went through the test, measured everything, and it was a very, in my opinion, disappointing day on the bench. So we're going to get into this. Okay, all the temperature sensors work, so I'm just going to take the last chip off and replace it. I don't know what else to do. Okay, let me get the chip. All right, let me put it on the cooler and let's see what we got. That's dandy. I dropped the fan plate here and now it doesn't want to sit straight. There we go. Okay. Cool enough. See, we got 65 chips again. I got 65 chips. Okay. Let's put it back together and see if this works. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I got 65 chips. Cool. All right, let me go ahead and mount it up on in a miner. Oh boy. I just plugged the miner back in and it's connected and I went into it via SSH and look what we've got there. 65 chips detected. Yeah, buddy. The changing out the 65th chip, that was it, right? Just took a wild guess and it worked out. Looking up above there, it looks like we have got a successfully hashing board running at 525 megahertz at 19.3 volts. That works good enough for me that I will put it back in my miner. Now, before I do that, though, let's see if there are any other chips. I mean, since I've got the board out, are there any other chips I need to replace? Let's find out. Hey, look at that right over there in chain 0. All good chips. No yellow chips, no red chips, all good chips. So that's fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and get this board put back into its actual miner where it lives in the farm. But yeah, it was a chance, right? There were 65 chips on the board. It said 64 when I did the jumping on my tester. Everything worked fine. Of course, the tester read 65 chips. So, I mean, what else can I try? So I took a risk, take the chip off and replace it. So that's what I did. Hope you enjoyed this really sweet, fast, easy fix for a hash board today. Thanks for watching, and I know I didn't cover much, but I hope you learned something.